Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn about maths of class 6. I am Megha Halpati from Samarpan Gyan School. Now we are going to start a new lesson. The name of this lesson is whole numbers. Which numbers? Whole numbers. This is the second lesson. Okay. Now, what do you mean by whole numbers? Till now, we have learned about only the numbers, Indian number, international system numbers. Now what is this whole numbers? Let we see. Here one introduction is given. Can you see this introduction? As we know, we use 1, 2, 3, 4. When we begin to count, they come naturally. When we start counting, okay, 1 2 3 4, when we start counting, it comes naturally. Hence mathematicians call the counting numbers as natural numbers. Now again you will confused that the name of the lesson is whole numbers, so why introduction is given with the natural numbers? So my dear students, I will explain you. There are two types of number. One is whole numbers and one is natural number. Now I will show you one example. There is what is natural number and what is whole numbers. Okay, you can see here natural numbers and whole numbers. In natural number they are given just counting numbers. Okay, whatever things we count, we will directly start from the 1 2 3 4. Okay, it comes naturally, so it is called a natural number. Okay, the counting of 1, whenever you start counting with the 1, it is called a natural number. And what is whole number? So see, from which point should we start? If you measure the distance from your home to school to home, whatever it is, home to school, so can you see in scale also, in ruler, the numbers are given with the 0, from the 0. So whenever the numbers are started from the 0 and then 1 2 3 4, it is called a whole number. One definition is given here for the whole number. The natural numbers along with 0, whenever we start counting from the 0, so the natural numbers along with 0 from the collection of whole numbers. Okay, whenever you start counting with the 0, then you start 1 2, so it is called a whole number. And natural number, as you see here, start from the 1. Okay, now we are going to start exercise 2.1. okay, exercise 2.1. Here the first question is given. Write the next 3 natural numbers after, which number is this? 10,999. okay, what you have to write the next 3 natural numbers. Now here again you don't have to confuse that natural numbers are given or whole numbers are given. Natural number, it means a simple number. It is start from the 1, and whole number, it is start from the 0. After that all numbers are same. Okay, so simply you have to write which number is coming after 10,999. So after 10,999, which number is coming? So it is 11,000. Yes, 11,000. Can you see 11,000? 11,000. Okay. Then next 3. So first is done. Then next one is 11,001. And third one is 11,002. So what is this? Next 3 natural number after 10,999. okay, now same as this, here you have to write a before number. Okay, which number is coming before 10,001? So which number is coming before 10,001? So it is 10,000 before. Then which is before 10,000? It is 9,999 and 9,998. This way you have to write the before number and the after number. Now third one is, which is the smallest whole number? Of course it is 0. Yes, okay. Now how many whole numbers are there between 32 and 53? Okay, how many whole numbers? You don't have to write the numbers, you have to count how many from 32 to 53. Okay, now successor. Write the successor of this given numbers. Now what is successor? So remember, successor means plus 1. So you have to do in all the question plus 1. Successor means it is after number. You already know about this. Same as predecessor. Predecessor means minus 1. It means before number. Okay. So this way you have to solve this 7th question also. Here you have to use this appropriate sign. Can you see these signs you have to use in these questions? And you have to write this true or false. Okay, this you have to write true or false. Understood everyone? Yes, okay. Thank you.